Hello guys, this is Victoria Expert, also known as Sam. Welcome to, yes that's right, holiday let's play again, like I did in 2017, like I did in 2015, and like I did in 2014. So basically, I'm going to be vlogging, you all know how it works, vlogging, yeah, it's just crazy, because you all know that, 2014, 2015, and then 17 last year, I did it again, because in 2016 I did a montage. Whenever I go on holiday, you guys always love it, and I get like everything involved, like GoPro editing, live streaming, and a lot of you really enjoy it. It's just a nice time just to be away from all the gaming stuff. So yeah, it's kind of cool as well. But no, this is part one of me going on holiday. Basically, I'm going to Menorca again, like last year. I'm going to try and record just as much, if not more, like last year, and hopefully the trip will be fine. So I know it's like this video that I'll probably be watching over and over again for the next like couple of years. Like okay, because I don't know if I'm going back there next year and all of that. But no, it is. As always, whenever I go on holiday, what time is it now? Hold on, I can check on my computer. It's 20 minutes past 3 in the morning. I'm uploading the Doom video. I'm probably going to upload it in departures. So I have to have that stupid thing out uploading Doom. Basically the live stream from last night. But as you're seeing this, because it's like an uploaded video, you would have seen little live streams before this and the Doom video. Basically these videos are obviously coming out in like 2 weeks, so as you're seeing this, it should be in August now. It's the 23rd of July, so yeah, but no, basically doing what I did last year. I've pretty much got the whole swag going. I've got the GoPro running, not running literally, it's running to the airport. I've got to catch up with it. Yeah, I've got the bag, travel bag, everything like last year. I've got the cap. I know a lot of people really enjoyed the cap last year, like, oh, what cap's that? Also I've got my vest. I tried to go for like the usual like travel Sammy look. Like normally I wear like a white vest, green shorts, white flip flops, and a blue hat normally. This year I didn't have a white t-shirt, white vest, so I don't know if it's bad luck, but oh well, got a black vest because why not? I normally have a white one because in Spain the sun like reflects white and stuff. But no, basically we're having an electrical rewire, so this is why we're basically going on holiday so early, and hopefully that should explain everything. Yeah, but no, basically I just wanted to do this quick little video. We have ordered a taxi. We've ordered a taxi to basically go to the airport for guys called Loz, and he should be in like 20 minutes, 10 minutes. Everyone's running around like blue arse flies, so am I. Basically I've just packed everything. Like I know last year I did a whole thing where like, I kind of woke up and did it, and like yeah, I've just woken up and here we go, we're going on holiday to Menorca, but now it's a bit more like, oh, all, I don't know, bright-spirited. Basically because I've had a cup of tea. You should have seen me when I woke up. I was off. I was like, where's my vest, and all that. But no, I was really wearing sunglasses this year in the airport. That's what my mate Matthew does, but anyway, yeah. No, I've just got the computer on the grind kind of thing. It's just uploading some stuff from last night. I was hoping I've got like enough data on my computer. 65 gigabytes for all the holiday videos. That probably doesn't sound enough, but I've actually, for my birthday, quite frankly, I've got a SIM card, an external storage, like 1 terabyte. So hopefully I should be able to. I swear there's weird noises all the time when I record. But no, I've got an external storage, so I don't want any of you worrying about, oh, how are you going to upload these videos on your holiday with all the space on your computer because you had 65 gigabytes. No, I've just got an external storage which I don't know how to use yet, so I was literally packed in my technology bag. This is my technology bag. I should really close it because I don't know, if I'm in the airport and that all falls out, that's going to be funny in a video, isn't it? But I'll just try to excuse me for one sec. Just try to rewatch the old videos last night and just see, okay, what did I do right in them videos, like last year and holiday? Because I know, like, it probably sounds easy, like, oh, vlog going to the airport, but I've got to vlog each, like basically, like a memory of it. So a memory of me. This is my new house, by the way. I did a house tour yesterday. Link in the description. I don't like to do that, but why not? From like weeks ago, but it was yesterday. Also, it was my birthday yesterday. I'm travelling the day after my birthday. So weird. I think I got 2 hours sleep last night. Tonight, this morning, 23rd July. So yeah, kind of weird. But no, this is the end of part 1. I don't know what I'm going to call these, probably Menorca year 4, all that. Anna's on the ground as well. She looks a bit all worked up. I need to take my computer downstairs, obviously never going to upload, because the Wi-Fi appears a bit funny when I don't have my computer all in. But no, I just wanted to, basically just like capturing the moment kind of thing I'm doing right now. For just, you know, so people can watch this back and be like, yeah, it's kind of cool. That's my computer. And it's got like no marks on it. A bag?
The tech bag.
The tech bag. That's my bag. But no, I'm going to end off this now because I think people are a bit stressed downstairs. Don't really want to be recording that. I came over here to record it. This is a nice light. So yeah, it's kind of funny. Look, Anna's bedroom lights as well. It's like a disco. But no, basically, my birthday yesterday. Kind of really weird. Just like following day, going on holiday. I got 2 hours sleep last night, so should be good. So yeah, I'm just gonna record everything: the airport, the flight, the terminals. Yeah, that's technology bag. Yeah. Oh, is this guy here?
Yeah.
Oh, he's here. So yeah, I'm gonna end off this part 1. See you on part 2. Was it that one you mean? Yeah. Oh. We've got 2 technology bags. But no, see you on part 2. We're just rummaging around, and the taxi driver's here randomly, a bit early. Yeah, so we just need to do the final packing stuff, and then should be free to go. I just wanted to do this extra kind of big episode, you know, part 1, 6 minutes kind of thing. So yeah, just gonna say goodbye to my room and all that, and yeah, all that jolly good stuff, and pack some things with my dad. So yeah, see you on part 2. Yes, that's right guys, I'm going to Menorca. Oh my god, kind of crazy. I just like watching them old videos back from 2015, 16 and 2014 and 15. Yeah, in 2016 I did a moments montage, but in 2017 I did it again last year of what I'm doing now. Just basically capturing each moment. So now, before before I go to the airport, in the cab, I don't know if I'm allowed to record in the cab. In the airport, in departures, on the flight, and then kind of like day 1, day 2, day 3, day 4 kind of thing. So capturing the moment of each day. But now, see you all in part 2. We're just looking for things, and I'm like backtracking myself. So yeah, see you in part 2. Can't believe it. Kind of crazy. And there's like a different atmosphere because like I've moved house since then. But no, love you all. See you later. See you in part 2. Bye.